Around 40% of TikTok users are between the ages of 30 and 49, debunking the myth that it's only for teenagers. While TikTok provides an incredible platform for exposure, monetizing your content isn't as direct as it seems. The Creator Fund has limitations, and its payouts are often minimal. To truly profit, you'll need to be innovative. The platform's potential for virality is still unparalleled, which is evident as other platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts are still vying for similar success. You don't have to make dance videos to make an impact, it's your authenticity that resonates. On TikTok, you are your brand, and that's your ticket to success. I'm Aaron from Thinkific, the best tool to start and grow your online education business, and today we're diving deep into the TikTok treasure trove for creator educators. Brand deals, features, collabs, and even off-platform gold mines. Whether you're kickstarting your business, hunting for a loyal audience, or dreaming of passive income, I've got the TikTok secrets to skyrocket your brand and bucks. Are you ready to level up? Let's dive in. Let's unlock TikTok's potential. Start by using it as the ultimate source of traffic. The TikTok algorithm thrives on engagement, so make sure to serve up irresistible, bite-sized videos showcasing your expertise and watch your visibility soar. Those views, they are your gateway to funneling viewers straight into your sales funnel. Here's the game plan. Craft snappy videos that tease your courses, that drop quick tips, and that leave audiences hungry for more. Direct that eager audience to a free resource or even a free mini course and watch your enrollments and the email list grow. The secret ingredient is authenticity. Be genuine and true to yourself. Forget about perfect cameras and lighting. Many creators find success just by being spontaneous and real with their storytelling. Have you made a few TikToks already and you're kind of feeling down about low engagement? Just don't worry about it. TikTok can be unpredictable. Stay persistent, mix up your content, engage with your community, and remember that the more you connect with your audience, the more TikTok's algorithm will favor you. Always care about quality, but quantity is the name of the game here. Now that you've got the lead capture formula down, it's time to explore TikTok's awesome features that can supercharge your course creator journey. Let's talk about duets, stitches, and trends. Duets and stitches are effective strategies that allow you to collaborate and engage with other TikTokers. So find fellow course creators or influencers in your niche, duet their trending videos, and provide your expert insights or reactions to it. This collaboration not only expands your reach, but also positions you as an authority in your field. And speaking of authority, don't forget to jump on the latest trends. TikTok is notorious for its viral topics, trends, and sounds, but you can put your very own spin on them relevant to your brand and your business. Showcase your skills, you drop knowledge bombs, and demonstrate your unique teaching style. By aligning your content with trends, you'll tap into a vast TikTok community and gain the attention of potential students. Another great feature is live streaming. TikTok offers a live streaming feature where viewers can send virtual gifts or tips to support creators. Once you have 1,000 followers, you can earn real money by receiving gifts from viewers during your live streams. And the word on the street is that the more lives you do, the more your other content gets pumped out to more audiences. Interact with your audience and provide valuable content to encourage them to support you. Now it's time to talk about the ultimate goal, monetization. TikTok is not just a platform for entertainment, it's a money-making machine if you play your cards right. Here's the deal. TikTok offers several avenues for monetization, and one of the most popular methods is through brand partnerships where you get paid to make content about other products. To get started, building your personal brand is essential. You have to be seen as an authority in your niche. Establishing yourself as the go-to expert will attract the attention of brands looking to collaborate. Brands are looking for engagement and quality more than follower count, so don't let that discourage you either. As your TikTok account gains traction, brands may approach you for sponsored content or influencer partnerships. Negotiate deals with brands whose values align with your content and audience. It's super important to do your homework on the brand as well, as many creators have fallen victim to backlash from doing deals with not so nice brands over the last couple of years. And also, don't be afraid to reach out and pitch your services. Showcase your engagement rate, follower demographics, and the value you can bring to your brand. You have the power to negotiate and set your own terms. Now let's move on to even more monetization strategies. We're gonna do a speed fire round. Are you ready? First, TikTok ads. If you have a solid follower base, dive into TikTok's ad platform. You can promote products, services, or your brand. Tailor your ads to hit the right audience, matching your niche. You could try affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos and guide your audience to affiliate links in your bio. Every sale through the link, that's a commission for you. Merchandising. Got loyal fans? Launch merchandise that echoes your brand. From tees to phone cases, design items that your followers will love. Use platforms like Shopify or Etsy for smooth sales. Consultation services. Offer your wisdom by the hour. Use your TikTok to flaunt your expertise and reel in the clients. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter or Patreon can help you fund your bright ideas. Promote your campaign on TikTok and offer exclusive rewards to backers. You can also do sponsored shoutouts. With a hefty follower count, you can promote other creators or businesses for a fee. It's win-win for exposure and income. Music collaborations are great too. Connect with budding musicians and create videos with their tracks and strike a deal to share the profits from the boosted streams. You can also do one-on-one coaching. Offer specialized coaching or mentorship in areas you excel in, be it fitness, business, or personal growth. Your expertise is valuable, so set a price for it. And there you have it, a crash course in creating and cashing in on content through TikTok. If you found this information valuable, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our growing community where we'll help you make more money, but ultimately crush all your biggest goals. We'll see you in the next one. Stay unstoppable.